On our breakfast menu, we have a 22-ounce dry-aged cowboy ribeye, bone-in.
This is our fresh thyme that we pick in the morning when we go out to get all our chicken eggs too from our coop.
We pan-sear that with crushed Telecherry black pepper, our sea salt, which we get from locally sourced out here in Moab. Also, we pan-sear all our steaks.
We're just going to let those milk solids break down, and that's what's going to help cook the meat and caramelize it.
Finish farm fresh eggs that we pick up every morning and our signature smashed potatoes. And that's it.